Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Carla, and today we are diving deep into the world of business credit reports. Understanding your business credit reports is crucial for any entrepreneur or business owner looking to finance their growth or manage their financial health effectively. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more insightful guides, and let's get into the details. So, first things first, a business credit report is a snapshot of your company's financial standing that lender. So, lender, vendor, and sometimes even customer use to access your business credit worthiness. Today, we will cover what this report contains, which credit bureaus compile them, and why they are crucial for your business operations. Your business credit report typically includes your business identification details such as business name, address, federal tax ID, and possibly your DUNS number. The other thing that is on the report is credit score and risk factors, which vary depending on the bureau. We will talk about these specific scores and what they mean in just a moment. The next thing is on the report is the payment history, which detail accounts of how your business has handled debts and bill payments. And the next things that show in your business credit report is the public record, including bankruptcy, liens, and judgment against your business. The next things and last thing is the increase made by creditors and lenders when you apply for financing. If you are already finding this information useful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you want even more resources and community support, you can join my free VIP group. I will leave the link in the description box below. Coming back to the subject, different from personal credit score, business credit score usually range from 0 to 100, with higher score indicating lower risk. The main bureaus that provide these scores are Dun and Bradstreet. Use the Paydex score primarily based on payment history. Experian Business Score take into account credit utilization, payment trends, and public records. In Equifax Business provide three different score on one predicting delinquency, another evaluating your business credit risk, and the third assessing your payment index. Understanding this score can help you better manage your credit activities and improve your eligibility for loans or funding credits or anything like that. To improve or maintain a strong business credit score, consider the following steps. First, pay suppliers and lender on time on or early. So basically, you have to keep in mind this. You use the method that you need to. I don't know if it's the calendar, reminders, whatever you need to, but you have to be aware that this is very, very crucial or important for your business credit score. The next thing is keep your utilization low. Try not to report more than 10% of your credit limit, basically of your total available credit. Let's say that your maximum or your credit limit of a specific credit card is 1,000. You need to, by the statement date, I will suggest that you pay as much as you can on the 23rd. Let's say that the 25th is the statement date, closing date. You pay by the 23rd just to give a little bit more time or dates. That way, that payment hits on your account. And by the 25th, it's going to report just the 10% of that credit, 10% of the credit limit, and that's the utilization that is going to show, which is going to be good for you. And then what you have to do is after that you pay off the remaining balance, but it definitely has to be paid off by the due date. So that's the limit. Don't You cannot pass that. Pay it off and just reuse it again if you want to, but basically this is the main thing. The next thing basically is regular. The next step basically is regularly monitor your credit report for error or fraudulent activities and dispute any discrepancy promptly. Don't leave that for later. Don't procrastinate this. You have to keep your business credit report nice and neat. That way you can get as much funding as you need. And the next thing is build your credit history by using diverse credit types and maintaining long-standing accounts with lender. This is very important. Why? Because this is going to add up your credit history. So in at the end of the day, it's going to increase your trustworthiness in credit worthiness too. So with that being said, understanding your business credit report can significantly affect how you manage and grow your business. For example, securing better loans terms with lower interest rate, negotiating favorable payments terms and with suppliers, and and enhancing your business reputation in the eyes of other companies and investors. So this is very, very important. So if you can see the benefit that you have by keeping your credit business credit report nice and neat the way that it's supposed to, build up your credit score, keep eye on your credit profile because you want to keep a strong credit profile. That way you can get more funding and more trust and worthiness. So you have to keep all of these details. I give you a lot of tips and steps that you can follow and you can practice. That way you can improve your business credit report, and that will help out tremendously how you can move on from now and forward. That's wrap up our deep dive into understanding your business credit report. With this knowledge, I believe you can take proactive steps to improve your business financial health and unlock new opportunities for growth. Thank you for watching this video. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share anything that you have related with any experience that you have with your business credit report in the comment section below. And also keep in mind that you can join my free VIP group. I will leave the link in the description box below for more exclusive tips and tools for business, and we can go from there. I will see you in the next one. Bye.